Bighorn Mine in Wrightwood, California. The hike is 4.2 miles round trip, it's over 600 feet in elevation gain, and it takes about 2 hours to complete. And for this hike, you will need the $5 adventure pass, so be sure to stay until the end to find out where you can get one, along with tips and frequently asked questions. We're on the Vincent Gulch divide, and this is the Angeles Crest Highway 2, and we came from that side, from Wrightwood and the California 138. That part of the road was closed, but that side comes from Glendale and La Cañada. This is a parking lot, and it is shared with Mount Baden-Powell, which is another popular hike. We're gonna take the trail on the left, the Mine Gulch Trail, for the initial part of our hike, and alongside this wooden fence is the Mount Baden-Powell Trail and the Pacific Crest Trail. And if you come after it snowed, I highly recommend you get some micro spikes. This hiker right here thought he could go without them, but once he saw the trail conditions, he changed his mind, and I'll link these in the description for you to check out. About 5 minutes or a fifth of a mile into your hike, you'll come across this sign. After that sign, the trail divides into 2 trails. We took the trail on the right to Bighorn Mine. The trail on the left that goes down is the Mine Gulch Trail that leads to Vincent's cabin. And we only visited Bighorn Mine today, but definitely something I'll check out for next time. And if you do plan on visiting Vincent's cabin, I recommend you get a GPS because I've heard it's easy to miss. And after taking the trail on the right, just stay on the main trail and it will lead you right to Bighorn Mine. You're gonna see this spray painted arrow, just ignore it and continue on the main trail. About a mile and a half into your hike, you'll come across this mine outlet. It's not the one we're gonna explore today, but it's worth taking a peek. There are some parts of the trail that are washed out, especially after the rain, so make sure you're extra careful. About 2 miles and about an hour into your hike, you'll round the mountain and you'll see the mine building in front of you. And a brief history of Bighorn Mine. It was discovered in 1859 by Charles Tom Vincent while he was out hunting for bighorn sheep. In 1902, him and his partners sold their claim to the Lowell and California Mining Company, and unfortunately for them, that's when it was most profitable. To get to the mine, you'll have to climb behind this building, and there is a lot of broken wood, so watch your footing. About 200 feet in, the mine split into 2, and that's as far as we made it. ask questions. If you want to explore the mine, make sure you bring a flashlight. If you plan on going after its node, I highly recommend microspikes. I got mine from Amazon and I will link those in the description. There is no service, but one thing that helped me track my hike and location is that I never turned off my location on the drive there. To find out where you can get the $5 adventure pass, you can go on the USDA website. And to check for road closures or if you need tire chains after the snow, go on the CalTrans website. Their quick maps should be up to date. And if you want to go on another hike easier than this one, check out San Antonio Falls, which is also a trail start to Mount Baldy, and I will link it in the description. And let me know in the comments section if you've been to either San Antonio Falls or Mount Baldy and which trail you took. And that is all I have for you today. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a like. But more importantly, if you want to see more of this type of content, be sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram at HikerOnATrail.